So what was your reason to not to get married to a lawyer?
See, my father was a lawyer, and I had always seen him doing a real big hard work, and early mornings and then late nights, and we never used to have those mobiles at those times. So whenever we used to call, so there used to be one landline in the bar room. We used to, leave a message, and then Dad used to call back. Though my mom is a doctor, and I felt that that's a very good combination, But I always thought that if I get married to a lawyer, we both will end up fighting with each other, and finally we'll, get separated. And first of all, I never wanted to get married because all these scenarios which, people used to think, "Yare yaar, vakeel hai." So, it is going to be a problematic thing.
So it irritated you.
Yeah, and then I had a perception that, being successful lawyer, there'll be a lot of challenges and all. So I thought, might as well not get married. But somehow, my Pati Dev landed in my life, who changed my perception, and good he found me. And I'm really happy for that. But then after few years down the line, I realized it's not about being in the same profession, which is a task. It's about understanding, which changes each day. So वो बोलते हैं ना कि life is not a bed of roses. It is actually the fact, and you have to create happiness each day you're living into. Because वो कहते हैं ना, वो एक डायलॉग मूवीज में बता देते हैं, क्या बोलते हैं उसको, happily married thereafter. So that is happily married is a sticker. But for making it happily married, there's a lot of struggle which goes behind that happily married sticker. To be there with you always, because each day you have to understand the other person very strongly. And you can't say कि अरे यार मेरे को तो 1 महीना हो गया शादी के लिए, and he's not understanding me. I feel, as per my personal experience, minimum 5 years is the time where you are able to understand the other person, especially when it is an arranged marriage. And the other person also takes those many years to understand you, because you come from a different background. You have a different culture. You're going in a different house where their systems, their culture is different. And if you really want to work it out, you will have to adapt to them. And if they really want to work out the marriage, the boys, they will also have to understand the girl equally as both